All right, so my mom is in the 70s and wants to get in the pool, but she can't really use that. So I am going to be doing quick stairs, 40 inches wide. There's about 6 steps, and then I'm going to integrate this into the steps so she can use it. Let's get started. Whew, it's hot already.
Subscribe and click the like button on Dad and me.
All right, so here's what I got so far. I didn't film that much just because I don't have the time to do that. So I'm just film the little things that I can, and I'll just show you finished products. So here we go. It's not completely finished yet. Still putting the panel here, putting the panel there. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of bracing here and there. It's gonna be over constructed. It's heavy duty. My mom will definitely be able to get up in here. There's no bend, maybe a little bend. Still gotta stabilize these, put a panel here. But other than that, it's good to go. It's gonna go right up there. It's about this much from the top, which is perfect. So that's what we got so far. All right, so system's in.
I'm swimming.
It actually goes through and it's long enough.
Hi.
You say hi?
I'm swimming.
You're swimming. And then I put these rails up. I'm about to put this piece on here. And then we'll be golden. This actually fit perfectly in there. Thought I was gonna have to put actual holes in here and get it all lined up and then put this through. But then I realized I have enough room. So this piece was actually up here. I just moved it down, slid that in there. And we got ourselves a temporary steps. And they look good too. Look at that, done. It's not the greatest thing on earth, but it's good enough for my mom to be able to get up, get in the pool, get out of the pool, and go back to her place. So, go widescreen. Not much, 40 inches across, 39 inches or 40 inches tall or 42 inches tall, something like that. And just got some wood and put it together. Not bad. I didn't cut out my own steps. I bought it that way. But it does good. There she is right there, watering the plants.